Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Dance Zone and Afk Zone. Yeah, these two zones. Here's some example. So the Afk Zone, you see in the logs, player entered zone, so I can, I don't know, jump or something. And I get random amount of gold from 1 to 10. You can set whatever reward you want player to get. So you see, every 5 seconds I get the reward. Okay, and I go to the Dance Zone. And now I don't have any logs, prints from log, but when I start emoting, as you see, I get players start dancing and player get reward. As you see, I get 1 gold, and after 5 seconds I get another 1 gold, so I'm so unlucky today. I set it up, okay, yeah, I get 2 gold. Okay, yeah, and after I stop dancing, now I don't get any rewards. So this is a simple tutorial and really helpful if you're making Tycoons or some other games. So let's get into code. Okay, so I'm in UEFN in the blank project, so we need to create 2 verse files. The first one will be Afk Zone System. Afk Zone System, and the second one will be Dance Zone System. Okay, and open the random one for now. Okay, here's the code. Oh wait, I don't like this theme. Okay, so I will start with Afk Zone. So okay, oh sorry. As we have the Afk Zone system, so we need to create Afk Zone data, which is a class with concrete. Okay, and in this class we'll need the mutator zone. So this is the zone that the player is standing in, and we will get the inputs from when player enters the zone and when player exits the zone. Wait, mutator zone device is equal to mutator zone device. Okay, next device we will need, like we don't need it, it's for testing item granter device. Like if you want grant other items, like for example currency from Verse, you don't need to add item granter. But if you want to for example give gold, like guns or something like that, you can set the item granter here. So item granter device is equal to item granter device. Okay, and the next one will be a variable reward per time as int 5. So this is like per 5 seconds he will get the reward. Like in the Afk Zone he send it 5 seconds and get the reward. This you can set it like 100 seconds, 500 seconds. I will set it to 5. And another variable is player in zone. This is the logic variable, so it holds true and false. We'll set to false. Okay, we need on begin. Then add return for now. On mutator zone enter with parameters agent type void and also returns for now. Then copy this function and change the enter to leave. And also we will need the function with grant rewards agent, and this is the suspense function because we'll need the loop here. And this is async function, so that's why we have suspense. So suspense allows us to add sleep, for example, so this function don't run immediately like the other functions, but it can, you know, wait. Okay, so we will start with on mutator zone enter. So we'll need to set is player in zone to true, because player is in zone. And we also need to spawn grant reward function. So it's not looping every single second, but only if player is in zone. Okay, so now we have onMutator zone leave. So we need to set players in zone. Set player in zone is equal to false because player leave this zone. You can also add the print player entered zone, and here player left zone. Okay, and the grant rewards function will need the var time to reward int type of int is equal to reward per time. Okay, so what this variable do? This variable is storing the local time, on this function, where we check how much time player standing in the Afk zone, and if this time to reward is equal 0, we grant him a reward and set it back to reward per time. So we need to sleep per 1 second, set time to reward minus equals 1. So this is like this hour 5. Okay, and if time to reward is less or equals 0, we want here grant the reward. So grant the reward, I will add comments so in this code that I will post on my Discord for free, obviously. You can see where to grant the reward. And we want item granter and cycle to random item, so it will grant a random item from the item granter. You can set whatever function you want, just click Ctrl and left click on the mouse to this function and you will see all the function that item granter have. But we will stick to cycle to random item. Okay, and next we need to set time to reward to reward per time, so we need to reset the timer and print player get rewards. Okay, and also we need to break this function if player leave the zone. So if is player in zone is equals to false. So if player leave the zone, we set the players in zone to false, and this looping. But I think it will be better if we do it here, maybe here. So for example, if this loop go here and he have like 1 second, minus 1 second, he after leaving the zone still get reward, so we need to check this variable first before granting the reward. So just to make sure the player is still in zone. Okay, now in onBegin we need to add the events to the mutator zone. So agent enters event, subscribe to our function onMutator zone enter, and we need to another subscribe, which is agent lift exit. I don't know, exits. Okay. You can also see all these mutator zones function. Okay, so now we need to go to our Afk zone system and add editable here and take our Afk zone data, Afk zones data, add it to array, and this is basically that we can create multiple Afk zones in our map. So for example, if you want to add 10 Afk zones, you can. Every single one with, for example, different rewards. So for example, this mutator zone will have exotic guns, another will have gold, another will have some other resources or something. This is also nice things about it. So now we need to fire this onBegin function in our actually onBegin. So we need to loop through all Afk zones that we have on our map and copy that and fire onBegin from our Afk zone data. Okay, so that's it in the Afk zone system. Now we can go to the connecting this device, and after that we will go to the dance zone. So we place the Afk zone system, and you see we have here an array, so we need to add the element, click this arrow here, and we need to have two devices. So go to Fortnite, devices, and search for mutator zone. Okay, place it whatever you want. Wait, I will start it here. Okay, connect this mutator zone, and here, if you want set this mutator zone visibility to true, you can set it to true, zone visible during game, so players will know where the zone is. Here you can manipulate the size of the zone. You can see I will set it up to default. And if you want to disable affect creatures, affect guards, and these other settings is up to you. If you want to set it to true or to false, it depends on what your game's needs, so you can, you know, experiment with this. Okay, and now we need item granter, so I put it here. And on grant action we want to keep all, so this, when granting item, we will not take all the items from player. And we want to grant current item and add some, for example, gold. So gold 1, gold 5, gold, oh wait, not this banana, gold 10, or we can just copy, yeah, and 2. If you want copy, just click shift and right mouse click, and if you want paste, just shift and left click. Okay, and any others option we can leave as default. Okay, so we need to also connect this item granter. So that is it for Afk zone. Now we can go to the dance zone. Okay, so we need the also dance zone data, which is class of concrete with concrete. Okay, and we can just go here and basically copy all of this, because it's pretty similar things. We need to just change something, and here we need to change the function on mutator zone. Okay, we'll just rename it on agent start emoting, and here on agent stop emoting, and we need to go to the mutator zone functions and get the agent begins emoting event and change it from agent enters event, and get also the agent end emoting event and set it to agent exit event. Okay, and now we need to pass this function here. Okay, and we can also change this variable to is player emoting. Okay, and any other things we can leave it as it is. So yeah, basically if player starts emoting, we set this player start emoting to true, start our function, and after 5 seconds of emoting he will get the reward. You can also manipulate with how much time player needs to dance to get the reward. And here we need to add the edit table, and dance zones data, and also like on Afk Zones system we need to pass the array of dance zone data, put it into array. Okay, and here we need to also do the for loop through all our zones and start the on begin. Okay, that's it. We can start to connect our dance zone system. So place our device, click this plus, drag, open this, and we also need the mutator zone, so we can just copy this one. Oh, wait, I will disable read. Okay, copy this one, place whenever on map you want. Settings can be the same as on the previous one. Select our mutator zone, select our item granter, and now it should all work. I will also, like for clarity, I will name these zones Afk zone. Okay, and this is the dance zone. Okay, so now we can hop to the game and test if everything works fine. Okay, so I'm loaded to the game, and now we have our Afk zone and our dance zone. So we go to the Afk zone, and okay, we get the message player entered the zone. We wait a couple of seconds, and okay, I get 2 gold. So as you see, it's working. Okay, I got another gold. Now we can go to our dance zone, and wait, I still get rewards. I don't think it's not supposed to be like that. So we need to see what's wrong in here. Oh, we don't change the function here. Sorry, my bad. Okay. So now we can push the verse changes, and now all should work. Sorry for my mistake. Okay. Okay, I'm loaded to game and go to the Afk zone. Get some gold. Okay, I get 10 gold. Maybe another one. Okay, 1. Now I exit the zone. And I shouldn't receive any gold now. Yes, I don't receive any gold. The Afk zone works. Yeah, go to the dance zone. Okay, I don't get any message that I start dancing or enter the zone. I don't also getting any gold. I have only from Afk zone, so I will just start dancing. Okay. And yeah, I get the gold. 2 gold, maybe another one, 1 gold, okay. And okay, I get the rewards. As you see, all works. All worked fine, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, leave a like and subscribe. Whole code from the Afk zone and dance zone you will find on my Discord. The link to the Discord is in the description. It's completely free codes. You can just go on the tutorial channel and download the codes. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.